As the crypto market continues to gain momentum, there are some incredible new projects that have entered the chat, hoping to compete with already established crypto titans. Now, we're left with a problem of choice. Which of these numerous cryptocurrencies will have the brightest future, and more importantly, the highest growth potential? Do you remember the success stories of shining stars such as Polygon, Solana, Avalanche from the previous bull market cycle? These initial hidden gems recorded incredible gains during the 2020-2021 peak bull market, with Solana especially earning the title of the Ethereum killer. And boy, did it give Ethereum a run for its money. People who recognised their potential early on knew they discovered some hidden treasures. But in case you missed out on that, don't worry, all hopes are not lost. We have the exact same situation in our hands now as 2024 promises new opportunities that can transform our financial lives, offering some of the newest, most advanced blockchains that could explode during this cycle. In this video, we have carefully outlined the best Underdog tokens with the highest bull potentials that you shouldn't miss out on. Now, before we jump into our top picks, I have to mention that this video is not financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Please always do your own research before making any investment decisions. And if you're in the UK, this video is not targeted at you. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. First up, we have Manta Network, created by a team of founders from Harvard, MIT, and Algorand. Manta Network emerges as a cutting-edge project offering a unique multi-modular ecosystem for zero-knowledge ZK applications. When Manta was launched on January 18th, it was worth about $2.24. Manta offers two networks, Manta Pacific and Manta Atlantic. While Manta Pacific leverages an Ethereum-based Layer 2 ecosystem to provide a scalable and inexpensive gas-free environment for ZK applications, Manta Atlantic is a Polkadot-based ZK Layer 1 chain that brings programmable identities and credentials to Web3 through ZK soul-bound tokens. Now let's discuss its native currency, the Manta token, utilized for governments, transaction fee payments, and staking. The team continues to develop exciting features including ZK NFTs and a specialized decentralized exchange for ZK applications. Recently, Manta also announced the listing of Manta tokens on Binance's launch pool as the 44th project. Subsequent collaborations with significant industry players like Binance Labs and Polychain Capital indicate a growing recognition and anticipation for the project in the wider crypto market. Next on the list is a relatively new kid on the block, Sui Network. The Sui blockchain and its native Sui coin only entered the crypto market in early 2023. Despite its recent arrival, it has managed to find its way in the top 100 cryptos by market cap. Listen, that is one of the best grand entrances we have seen in recent times. The Sui network is a layer 1 blockchain that aims to enable fast, low transactions and scalable storage for decentralized apps and games. It uses Move, a programming language originally developed by our favorite person, Mark Zuckerberg. Obviously, I'm kidding. He tried to release a token called Diem back in the day, and it used the Move programming language. When it came into a bunch of issues and red tape for obvious reasons, the project was shut down. However, some Meta employees took the language and built Sui with it. Suck it, Zuckerberg. When Mainnet was launched, about 5% of the tokens were already in use. Its current coin market cap ranking is 49, with a market cap of 1.396 billion. Between November and December 2023, Sui hit highs of over 70 cents. This surge came as the platform announced it surpassed $100 million worth of USDC stablecoins in the DeFi powerhouse. On November 8th, Sui announced a strategic partnership with Space and Time. One thing to note is their circulating supply is low at only 528 million of the $10 billion total supply, meaning that there is going to be dilution in the price expected. Make sure to check token unlocks to find out when the new supply of tokens will be added to the circulating supply. As of January 24th, the Sui price was at $1.27. This record could be attributed to the coin's strong total value locked. In a remarkable turn of events, Sui surpassed $300 million in total value locked, which ranks nicely with a lot of the top tier blockchains. Not only that, but the Singaporean exchange Juby ranks Shih as the third most searched token, signaling a surge in curiosity and potential demand for the coin. Shih is a heavily invested VC token with over $300 million plus in backing. So they're going to try and ensure there's significant returns for this project. Could it perform similar to Solana, which is also a heavily VC-backed coin? Only time will tell. Then we have Arbitrum, another very promising but underrated layer 2 scaling solution designed to give Ethereum blockchain a turbo boost. In the past 2 years, the market share of Arbitrum has grown significantly, obviously from the continued bullishness of layer 2 solutions, the expected token offering of ARB, and the growth of the applications in the ecosystem. As of January 24th, the price of Arbitrum was at $1.71 with a market cap of $2.176 billion, ranking 37th on CoinMarketCap. There is a huge series of unlocks Arbitrum will be having, adding more than 4x its supply over the next 2 years, so be aware of huge price dissolution. Thanks to its scalability feature, even more platforms than we even expected have now been deployed quicker. Its competitor, Optimism, is another underdog we need to put under our radar this year. Optimism entered the crypto scene with the mission to make Ethereum transactions faster, more cost-effective, and more scalable. The project presents itself as an alternative, running all computational and data on the Ethereum network, further enhancing the scalability, which explains the considerable fair adoption rate. Optimism uses a platform called Superchain, a network of chains built on the OP stack. Optimism only deploys when it identifies faulty blocks rather than with every transaction. Another clear indication of Optimism's growing relevance is its strategic partnership with prominent players in the crypto space. One such partnership with leading cryptocurrency exchange Bitfinex, which decided to list the Optimism native token, thus providing Optimism with a stamp of approval. Also, by deciding to integrate WebAuth into Optimism, the Beam wallet is driving adoption and use of Optimism-related services in various contexts. More important is the thumbs up Optimism receives from giants such as WorldCoin and Coinbase. The TVL has been very healthy in growth, with over $700 million locked into the protocol. And despite, again, having a series of unlocks as well, this is certainly better than Arbitrum's short term. Lastly, we have ZK Sync. ZK Sync is a layer 2 protocol developed by Matter Labs to increase Ethereum's throughput and preserve its foundation values: freedom, self-sovereignty, and decentralization. Thanks to the impressive team backing this project, the ZK Sync has been scheduled to be launched this year, and when ready, dApps will be able to build on it. Most interestingly, ZK Sync supports account abstraction, a feature that turns every account into a smart contract using its own logic. What this means is that a user will have the opportunity to own an account that suits their needs, while still ensuring security, ease of use, and seamless compatibility. Now, you may be wondering, what gives us so much confidence in ZK Sync? Does it even have a token? We are so early. ZK Sync doesn't even have a native token yet, but there is one on the way. That means it has a fan club waiting to make the project a success. But that isn't all. ZK Sync has received funding from Ethereum Foundation and even top-tier investors, including Union Square Ventures. Just recently, Argent chose it as a scaling solution for its Layer 2 wallet to help users access the best DeFi at a low cost, while the project itself has just recently evolved from 1.0 to 2.0. Also, while other Layer 2 chains such as Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism only offer solutions for a few key features such as security, throughput, gas fees, scalability, and functionality, ZK Sync seeks to provide all these features through rollups. You surely don't want to miss out on this massive project. So yeah, what do you guys think of these crypto projects? Do you equally think they will be the next big thing that you should watch out for in 2024? Don't hesitate to share your opinions and comments down below. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe so you don't miss out on any other helpful crypto insights like this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.